Hey y'all, welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video, I just got my brand new Derby lawnmower. Well, it's not built yet, obviously, but here is what it looks like. I mean, it's not the best looking one, but we got it for free from my girlfriend's dad. It's really messed up about it. Like, let me just give you full view. But like, really, the only thing that's really messed up is this. Like, it's only the steering is the only thing that's messed up. Oh, that's cool. I messed it up even more. But that's not that hard to fix, really. But, but this is what the engine looks like. It's 12 horsepower. So probably today I'm going to be cleaning it and get a video of that. Then taking this off if I can by myself. And really what it's low on is all fluids. And yeah, because like, look, if I sit up on here, oh shoot, look, put the clutch in, pull that out, you hear it want to start, right? It'll crank for a second. Ready? That means the battery's dead. So let's get into today's video. Hey, what's up? This is like update kind of. That last clip was like from a week and a half ago. I've been working a lot. I haven't been time to work on anything. But yesterday, I did get some things done. I just took apart a couple things. You know, took the, I forgot what you call that. Whatever. Took the hood off. It wasn't very hard. All you had to do, there was screws right there. But yeah, and I tried to take this off, but I can't get to the other side. The other side's very hard to get to. But really, the only thing that's messed up is the steering is broke. As you can see down there, that's the steering right there. And yeah, this front piece is kind of broke, so we'd have to fabricate that right there, as you can see. And then, yeah, it needs fuel, and it needs carburetor, and that's pretty much it. And then we might have it running, and the battery's dead. But literally the only thing that was wrong with this is that it literally sat outside for a year. So it's really not that bad. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get into some clips of me working on it. Update right now, we got the blade taken off, and yeah. There we go, and we're putting that up right now. We got the blade off. Now I gotta take this like random crap off, like this, all that stuff. So yeah, and I'll update you guys when we get everything taken off. Well, let me show you what we're gonna have to get off. Right now, we gotta get this off, this off, this off, not that, this off, this off, this off, this because literally does nothing. This too, because these are all connected to the deck to the mower, but they're not being engaged anymore. There's no reason for them to be here. But these bolts right here for the engine, they were all loose. I had tightened them up. I was gonna do a time lapse, but then I couldn't figure out. I gotta wait to get a flathead screwdriver, so then I can take these four off. But this thing right here has these really annoying metal pins that are really hard to get to. But yeah, that's what's going to be the time lapse. So here's a closer look at everything. As you can see, all these little hanging things right there, those don't need to be there. But let me show you the really annoying metal pins. See these things right there? Oh, wrong thing. It's on my tripod right now, but you probably can't even see it. Right in here, these really annoying metal pins that go through here to hold everything in place. They're really annoying, but yeah, let's get into a time lapse maybe. Now, these are all the parts we've got taken out. These are 1, 2, 3 main control arms. There's like 2 more left that I need to get out. These are all the nuts and bolts. This is part of one. This is the main one. This is the gear or the shifter for that right there. This is the next thing we're taking out right here. This whole big old thing. This is just, that doesn't even go in there. That needs to go because it's just connected to the deck. So yeah, that's how it looks right now. I'm gonna come back tomorrow after work and I'm gonna see what more I can get done. So yeah, I'm all dirty. So right now we are about to put gas in it to see if it starts. So I'm gonna put gas in there and then I'm gonna try to start it. So I didn't plan on filling the gas tank up all the way. I don't know if you could see in there, but I did. I didn't fill it up all the way just because I know that gas tank's gonna come out. So insert the picture of the stuff that needs to be done at this moment. Alright, so let's try to start her up. Make sure it's turned off all the way. Put that all the way in. Put the throttle, pull the choke out, put the clutch in. Okay, let's see if it starts. It's not even gonna go over, is it? Man, what the hell, boy? Maybe I kind of need that parts list right now. It literally was just clicking over the other day. Okay, never mind. I guess we gotta put more parts into this thing. So right now we just put the battery in and we just charged it, and we're gonna put this back on and we're gonna see if it fires it up. Update again. So the battery was charged all the way, but we charged it now. I got some more parts off to this handle coming all the way off. It's almost done. Now I have to take this whole front thing off to get to it, or maybe just this side piece. I'm not sure yet, but I got the battery put back on, so I'm gonna see if it starts and I'm gonna record it. So right now I got the tires both off and I'm airing both of them up right now. Hey, so I'm back up here. Both tires are aired up, so now it's time to put them both back on. Next day, right? And I forgot to record a clip of that you saying that I put the tires back on, but I put the tires back on. They were fully aired up, right? Bro. They're already flat again. So, looks like I'm going to be buying new tires, I guess. Which is amazing because I don't want to spend any more money on this piece of junk to redo it. But I got some big plans for this thing, so stay tuned. So we got more done right now. Let me set this down. But yeah, I had to use some WD-40 O-rings. But we got this stupid thing off. And it should be falling out any second. Well, we should have this thing out, but I got everything unclipped out and everything, so let's get this thing out. Alright, so we got her done. She's out of there. She's right there. And now I want to see what else we got to do to this thing. But there we go. We got the shifter for the mower blade out. Sounds like a good deal to me, yo. And it took over like 30 minutes, bro. I'm gonna be so honest with you. Like, it was so hard trying to take those damn metal pins out, bro. But let's see what else we got to do. Alright, guys. So I got bored with the lawnmower earlier. And as you can see behind me, I sorted everything that's came off the lawnmower. So let me show you what I've took off so far. As you can see, we have all of the washers, the pins, random crap. We got nuts, we got bolts, we got springs, we got all the parts that make to the deck and everything like that. So I'm going to be planning on using this stuff for this build, but I don't know how I'm going to use it, but I want to use it. So yeah, there's that. So let's get back to working. Alright, bro, so we're back, and as you can see right there, I got the jack underneath there. So I'm gonna try to take this engine out. I don't know why, I gotta do something with it, because I don't even know if we're gonna keep it, because I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to restore this thing. It's pretty shit. Yeah, it's pretty junk, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to restore it. So we're gonna try to take this engine out, get the jack underneath it, so let's go. So we're down here at the shed. I got everything dusted off. I have the air filter cover. I have the hood, and I have the front of the front of the lawnmower down here, so I'm gonna get to washing it so we can get it all clean. Hey guys, so I got everything done and cleaned, so now we gotta let it dry and we're gonna bring it back up there and it's gonna go back and sit in gravel. So yeah. There we go. As you've seen in that clip right there, I got the back fenders taken off, and I'm trying to see what is wrong with the battery, why it won't start, because it's making the battery's charged. Like, look, see those little sparks right there? Maybe it's dead. I don't know. But it's making sparks, so I don't know. I'm trying to work on it right now. Okay, so I'm trying to see what's wrong with it right now, so I don't know. Let's see. So I did a thing, and now I'm checking out the back, and I'm gonna take these back panels off, and I'm gonna try to look at the battery and everything, see what the frick's wrong with it. So did I get it right there, the carburetor? So right now, as you can see, I got the air compressor, I got the lawnmower down here. I had to bring a truck because I don't know how else to get down here. But we're gonna start cleaning it off. So this is what it looks like right now. Yeah, it's kind of dirt. It's really dirty. It is really dirty. But that's what it looks like right now, and I'll show you the end process when we're done. Hey, I'm really sorry guys about how long this video's been taking. It's been taking 2 months so far, like about right now. It's been about 2 months for this build right here for the lawnmower. But I thought about taking it to the junkyard, but that was like, he'll help me fix it. So this is going to be only part 1, but there's going to be way more parts for it. But I'm just sorry about how long it's been taking, you know, because it's been 2 months. I wanted to have this done in maybe a month, just the whole video, but life stuff got in the way, homecoming, school stuff, bunch of random other stuff like that y'all don't need to worry about. But go check my Insta if you want to keep, keep up with me. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. There's gonna be another video. I promise you. We're gonna be building this. I promise we're gonna be building this. So yeah, let's go over there and let's. Oh, by the way, we sold the mower deck, and with all like the excess stuff, and that brought in an extra $30. $30. We got $30 for that thing. So I'm gonna show you this, and we might end the video there. So yeah, like I said again, I'm really sorry about how long this build is taking, but we need to get him. I want to put a new motor in it, but this motor will be fine for now. We just switch belts around. It needs new wiring. Me and my dad figure out, not for the battery, but just for the battery connected to the engine. It needs all new wiring. It needs a starter, and or no, not the starter, but all this wiring needs to be redone. This needs to be fixed, the steering, and then these cables need to be. It's just tiny stuff that don't really cost money, but you gotta redo it. So like all this is stuff I'm keeping just for extra parts, you know, just in case. We need new tires. We need a lot more stuff added to this build. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of things we need for this build, but it's gonna take a little while to get done. I don't got the money right now. I'm trying to save up for a truck, so y'all want to help me subscribe, you know, that help. We already just passed 1.5. It was like 1.58 subscribers, so thank y'all so much. And, you know, prices are off. But thank y'all so much for the support. And, yeah, hope you guys are ready for part 2. See ya in the next video. Peace out.